Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alyssa. Today we are going to do 25 facts about me. I thought at the beginning of the year this would be a good time. I'm almost about to reach 200 subscribers, so I thought it'd be about time to let you guys get to know me a little bit better. So I just went on Pinterest and looked up 25 facts about me, and I found a question tag. I'm going to be looking over here because it is going to be the questions, and I will go ahead and answer them. I'm gonna put on my glasses, and I know it's gonna be a little annoying because you're gonna be able to see the ring light, but the ring light really changes things. So I'm sorry, but I can't really see without them, and I did not want to put my contacts in today. So I'm just gonna try to stay down here so you guys don't have to see it. Okay, question number 1 is your full name. My full name is Alyssa Ryan. I'm not gonna give out my last name just because. My zodiac sign is I'm an Aquarius. I'm born on January 30th. My best friend is a tie between Sydney, my best friend, and my boyfriend Nathan. How do I feel right now? Right now, I'm feeling a little frazzled because it's the beginning of the year, and I just have so many goals and so many things I want to achieve and so many YouTube videos I am planning and filming and editing. So I'm frazzled but very motivated. My current relationship status, I am taken. I have been in a relationship with my boyfriend for 7 years now, so I am taken. Question number 6 is my favorite movies. I wrote this down so I do not forget to include any. Insidious and Labyrinth are going to be my top 2. We just passed Christmas time, so Elf and The Nutcracker are my favorite Christmas movies. And I think those are going to be my favorite movies. How tall am I? I am a little shy about this. I am 4'11". I am not even 5 feet tall. I am very short. My favorite songs is Why by NF, Collard Greens by Schoolboy G, and Dance Monkey. I freaking love that song. If you guys have not heard any of those songs, please go check them out. The first 2 are a little bit, they're rap, and Dance Monkey is like a hella pop, like super like funky song. Like it's just like funky music, and I freaking love it. 3 things that I love. Fitness, music, makeup / fashion. There we go. 3 things that upset you. The clicking of pens, like, let me see. That drives me crazy. Being lied to. I do not deal with being lied to. And gossip. I don't like gossip. I'm not a female that likes gossip. I hate gossip. Okay. 3 things that make you happy. Seeing someone smile, spending time with my family, and just chilling, vibing, listening to music. Just love it. My favorite food, when I am on a diet, it is going to be fruit with whipped cream, either like pineapples or strawberry, and it's sugar-free whipped cream, so it's not terrible. And when I'm not on a diet, pizza all the freaking way. I will have pizza 5 times a day if I could, but I would gain a lot of weight. So, celebrity crushes, Salvatore Brothers. Without a doubt, Salvatore Brothers from Vampire Diaries, which is Ian Somerhalder, and I don't know what Stefan's real name is. I'm sorry. I guess I'm not a real fan. How many tattoos and piercings do you have? If you would ask me this when I was like 17, I would have had a lot more piercings. But I have 1 tattoo. It is about the length of my back. And it is like a lotus flower. The only pictures I have is on my phone, and I'm filming on my phone, So I'm sorry about that. But yeah, it's a pretty big tattoo. And I have just 2 basic piercings. When I was 17, I had my angel bites done, and I had a couple more piercings on my ears, and I also had my cartilage done. I don't have those anymore. Turn-ons. When a dude smells fine, when he smells good, that is a huge turn-on. Nice hair. When a guy like does his hair and it's nice, cleanly cut. Pretty eyes. I love blue eyes, green eyes, even brown eyes that like sparkle in the sun and they look like sunflowers. Gorgeous. Turn-offs. Now, turn-offs is bad breath, being mean, degrading, and condescending. I can't deal with people who are like that. Scary movies or happy endings? I really wish I could choose both because I love both of those. But if I had to choose, probably scary movies. Next question is computer or television? Computer or television? I don't know if it's like being on the computer or watching television, but probably watching television, watching Netflix, anime. My favorite perfume is anything scented like Sweet Pea. I freaking love Sweet Pea. It just smells so feminine and happy and girly. When was the last time you cried? Like a day or 2 ago. I am very emotional. So yeah, about a day or 2 ago. Can I cook? Yes, I can cook. I am, I'd say pretty good at cooking, but I love baking. I'm definitely better at baking than I am at cooking. Do I speak any other languages? I'm not fluent in any other languages, but I'm learning Spanish and French. I'm planning on being fluent in French by the end of 2020. Do I miss anyone right now? Yes, I do. I miss my family up north. I haven't seen them in a little while, and I'm actually going to visit them pretty soon. I'm from Chicago, so back up there. My favorite TV show, I have a couple. V-Wars, freaking amazing, out on Netflix right now. Haven't watched it, go check it out. Ian Somerhalder is in it. Damon Salvatore from Vampire Diaries is in it. Vampire Diaries. 7 Deadly Sins, it's an anime. And Snow White with Red Hair, also an anime, amazing. Another anime that if you guys are going into anime or you're not really sure about it, it's called Demon School. Holy crap, it's amazing. It is one of the best animes I've ever watched, and it has one of my favorite characters that I can like really resonate towards. What is the next question? Any questions you like? Something that I didn't ask was a favorite color. My favorite color is pink, which pretty much everything I own is pink. So yeah, my favorite color is pink. I'll give you guys a little bonus question. I guess this isn't really a question, it's like a fact about me. I love studying and learning, and I'm not in school right now, and I like learning. So what I've been doing is I've had a couple of free trials on Squarespace, and here on YouTube there's a YouTube channel called, I wrote it down, Crash Course. Right now on Crash Course I'm doing their psychology course. It's like a 6-month course and it goes really in depth, and I have my own little psychology notebook and I watch the videos and I take notes. So that's a fun fact about me. A lot of people don't really like learning. I love learning new information and just taking in new information. I love it. Alrighty, there you go guys. That is 26 questions and facts about me. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see any other tags, let me know. I would be more than happy to do them because they're so much fun. And if you guys have any other questions down below, I can always do a Q&A from questions that you guys have. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys have not already, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video from moi. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day and happy New Year. Bye guys.